here at Westgate, our heart and what we emphasize to folks is relationships matter most. We try to accomplish that with our AVL ministry by making it intelligible, making it understandable to people. We contacted Ford and we asked them to help us develop a plan for overhauling our audio, video, and our lights. When people are coming in, we have video announcements that are rolling for different things that are happening at the church, so they can see those and realize things that are happening that they may not know otherwise. There is music that's playing in the background as well, and the lights. The lights set a mood. We have a separate broadcast room to where the guys can really be isolated and really mix the sound properly for the broadcast, for the live stream. I felt that was really important, and I think it's made a big difference in the quality of the live stream. Ford was very helpful in helping us cast the vision to our church as well. Doug actually came and was here for the business meeting to answer any questions that people had about it and what was going to take place. And so I really appreciate his help and his input on all of those things. Having the latest technology, like we have the LED screens, the LED lights, and the quality sound that we have, I think they appreciate the fact that we've invested money into the future. The church celebrated 50 years a few years back, and so that was part of our inspiration is what's the next 50 going to be like? I won't be here 50 years from now, but what kind of legacy, what are we going to leave the church members that are going to be here 50 years from now to work with? And so I think this audio video lighting technology that we installed and we had done is going to help reach this community even further for Christ.